In this screen, basically what you have to do is you press on the email bar, you hold down on the @ symbol, or on some phones it might be a setting, until the settings come up like that, let go, press either one of these two, so I'm going to press the second one, so you can take your touch screen, press the square button on the right hand corner, and then use the Google search bar to pretty much do anything you want. Now, if you want to install apps on your phone, you're going to need to go to Chrome, so CH for instance, and then it will come up like that. You open Chrome, that's going to take you into the Chrome application, and then you go to this website. The easiest way of finding this website, because they change it a lot, is to type APPTOIDE, type in Aptoide, it's en.aptoide.com. No, it's not, sorry, what the hell is going on? Yeah, it should be actually, I think the phone's just glitching out, sorry people. Yeah, the phone is glitching out, sorry about that. So yeah, just type in Aptoide into the search bar, so there it is, it's already there. It's going to take you to a website. You're going to click on this, first top one, and then you're going to click on the install button, and that should start downloading, even though the phone's in lock mode. It's a bit slow, sorry today, the internet connection, but yeah, it will start downloading. You'll see it come up on the screen in a second. There it is at the bottom, downloading. So once it's downloaded, you'll be able to open the file. Obviously you need to make sure unknown source is on. Once it's open anyway, because I've already got the file on it, I'm just going to show you how it works. You're going to get rid of that app, close the Google app every time you search for something, by the way, because otherwise it glitches out. You're going to go to the Google app again, and you're going to type in Aptoide, or just put in A and it will come up. Click on the Aptoide after you've installed it, turning on unknown sources first. Hello phone. And then basically you can search for anything you want in Aptoide. So WhatsApp, WHATS, APP. It's a bit slow, sorry about this people. I think the battery's low or something. Okay, it doesn't like that. That's not a good example. Message. Just type in E, it should come up. But yeah, basically, you can get all the latest apps, Candy Crush, stuff like that. And all you do basically is you click on the app. If it's trusted, you just click install, and that's going to download that app. And then it's going to come up with the installation screen, which I will show you. You can download this app quickly. The phone is lagging out, people. It doesn't do this on higher end one. So that's going to download anyway. Clearly that's a massive file, I didn't think. But it's going to download anyway, and then you're just going to follow the installation steps, and that's going to work on your phone. And to show you that it does work, I'm going to show you something quickly in the settings. This is a lot of effort. But as you can see, where the hell is it? Accounts. There is no account on there other than the Messenger account that was installed via the app. So basically, we need to go back into the Google app and load a game. See, you want to play on Jelly or Soda? You want to play on Soda or Jelly? Okay. Sega. So we're going to click on Soga, which was installed from Aptoide earlier on today. Bearing in mind the phone is still locked in Google FRP mode. And yeah, it will eventually open. The phone is a bit slow, sorry people. It's very getting warm as well, not too hot. And then as you can see, you're going to click on play, exit all these copy ads, and you're going to go on level 28, and then obviously that will load.